Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. Here is your mathematics teacher Muhammad Amjad Saeed from Pakistan International School, Taif. Today we will continue our lecture number 97 and chapter number 14. Remember that this is your last chapter of your book, and inshallah after that you will revise your whole syllabus according to reduced syllabus from the Federal Board Islamabad. And during revision, if you have any problem, you can contact me and inshallah I will do it. Exercise 14 consists of three types of questions. Limited solution, that is the specified, for example 0 to 2 pi. Limited solution for which specified limits or specified closed intervals are given. After that we have to find the value of possible values of theta. And the third type of question are general solution, in which formula 2n pi plus theta like this is involved. Suppose I am taking this type of that general solution. According to our reduced syllabus, we have question number 2. Solve the following trigonometric equations. Number 1 is tangent square theta is equal to 1 over 3. Solve trigonometric relations we have. Number 1, tangent square theta is equal to 1 over 3. We have tangent theta is equal to plus minus 1 over 3 under root. You can have tangent theta is equal to plus 1 over 3 under root, and tangent theta is equal to minus 1 over 3 under root. Dear students, you know about the position of angles. This is 2 pi plus theta in fourth quadrant, 2 pi minus theta in second quadrant, pi minus theta, and in third quadrant pi plus theta. These are possible values of theta. Dear students, you know that tangent 1 over 3 under root is 30 degree. Actually 30 degree means pi over 6. And this is positive. Here is minus pi by 6 minus 30 degree, that is negative. Dear students, now you can check where theta lies. Because tangent is positive, then theta may lie in according to the rule ASPC, if tangent theta is positive, then it may be third quadrant or first quadrant. Dear students, first quadrant or third quadrant tangent is positive. So you can say theta lies in first and third quadrant. In first quadrant, you can have 2 pi plus theta means 0 plus theta. That is the same thing. So here theta is pi by 6. And in third quadrant, what is that? Pi plus pi by 6. quadrant and in fourth quadrant. Tangent negative means the theta lies in second quadrant or in fourth quadrant. Theta lies in second and fourth quadrant. What will be the possible values of theta in second quadrant? That will be pi minus, what about theta? This value, pi minus pi by 6. Another is 2 pi minus pi by 6. Here will be pi by 6, 6 1 the 6 plus 1, 7 pi by 6, 6 1 the 6 minus 1 is 5 pi by 6, 12 minus 11 pi by 6. So dear students, we have the answer of first part of your question number 2 is solution set will be the possible values of theta pi by 6, 7 pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, 11 pi by 6. Dear students, this is your solution set of part 1. Exactly in the same way, we can have part number 2, 3 and 4. Now I am taking part number 2. Cosecant square theta is equal to 4 by 3. Exactly in the same way, you can do part number 3 and part number 4. In case of part number 4, cotangent square theta is equal to 1 over 3 under root, and tangent square theta will be the reciprocal of that, it will be 3. And cotangent will be equal to plus minus 3 under root. Remember that I am giving you the hint for part number 4. And part number 2 and 3 are similar. Cosecant square theta is equal to 4 by 3. Cosecant square theta (4 by 3). You know that the reciprocal of cosecant square is sine square. So it means that you can write down sine square theta is equal to 3 by 4 and sine theta is equal to plus minus 3 under root by 2. In the same way, we have sine theta is equal to 3 under root by 2 and sine theta is equal to minus 3 under root by 2. Here is what is the reference angle? Reference angle. Reference angle for sine theta is equal to 3 under root over 2 is sine 60. 60 mean pi by 3. And here is minus pi by 3. So this angle is positive, here is negative. So we can see that if sine is positive, so theta lies in first and second quadrant. It is all positive, sign positive. Theta lies in first and second quadrant. Dear students, in case of sign negative, theta lies in third and fourth quadrant. Because here sign positive, here all positive, so theta will be in third and fourth quadrant. Theta lies in third and fourth quadrant. So dear students, if theta lies in first and second quadrant, so in first is pi by 3, in second quadrant pi minus pi by 3. If theta lies in third quadrant, if theta lies in third and fourth quadrant, this will be pi plus pi by 3, and in fourth quadrant 2 pi minus pi by 3. So we can have pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, 3 1 3 plus 1, 4 pi by 3, and here is 6 minus 1, 5 pi by 3. So dear students, you can have solution set as pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, 5 pi by 3, and 4 pi by 3. Order is not important, you can write down any number before or after, no problem, that is same. So dear students, we can have the third and fourth part in this case. After that we have question number 3. Question number 3. Find the values of theta satisfying the following equations. So we can have values of theta just like the previous question. Question number 3. 3 tangent square theta plus 2 into 3 under root tangent theta. We have to find theta. 3 tangent square theta plus 2 into 3 under root tangent theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Dear students, you can check that we can make it as it will be 3 under root tangent theta whole square. This is plus 1 square. This is plus 2 into first tangent theta into second is equal to 0. Dear students, we have written this equation as a complete square formula. We have converted it into complete square formula, and you can write down 3 under root tangent theta plus 1 whole square, that is equal to 0. Taking square root on both sides, we have 3 under root tangent theta plus 1 is equal to 0, and 3 under root tangent theta is equal to minus 1, and tangent theta is equal to minus 1 over 3 under root. Dear students, reference angle is 1 over 3 under root of tangent. So you can check it will be 30 degree. That is pi over 6. 30 degree pi over 6. And you know that this is negative. If tangent is negative, so it will lie in second and fourth quadrant. Theta lies in second and fourth quadrant. So what is the possible value of theta? In second mean pi minus theta. So here is pi minus pi by 6. And in fourth is 2 pi minus. So it is 2 pi minus pi by 6. That will be 5 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. Dear students, your solution set is 5 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. That is your answer. I hope that you understood this question. After that we have question number 7 and 8. So dear students, I am taking question number 7 and here we have question number 8 also. We can take one question. I am taking question number 8. 4 sin square theta minus 8 cos theta plus 1. Question number 8. 7 and 8 are similar, so I am taking question number 8. And somehow question number 7 is related to this question what I have solved here. Making complete square or taking factorization we can have. Question number 8 is 4 sin square theta minus 8 cos theta. 4 sin square theta minus 8 cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Dear students, first of all, you have to convert all in same types of trigonometric function. Here is sin square, here is cos. So you can convert this sin square as 1 minus cos square theta minus 8 cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0. So in this way we will have the similar type of the trigonometric function and it will be easy to solve. 4 minus 4 cos square theta minus 8 cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 4 cos square theta minus 8 cos theta plus 5 is equal to 0. Multiplying throughout by minus 1. Multiplying by minus 1. 4 cos square theta plus 8 cos theta minus 5 is equal to 0. Dear students, you can multiply first and last. It will be minus 20 cos square theta. You have to break it down, make the pairs, so that by adding and subtracting you will get this number, and after multiplying you will get minus 20. You can have 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 4 and 5. Which pair can make 8? That one. So dear students, the bigger component will have the sign from the center always. So this is plus and here is 2 is minus. 4 cos square theta plus 10 cos theta minus 2 cos theta minus 5 is equal to 0. Here you can have 2 cos theta common. 2 cos theta plus 5 minus 1 common. 2 cos theta plus 5, that is equal to 0. After that, we can have now 2 cos theta minus 1 into 2 cos theta plus 5 is equal to 0. 2 cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 cos theta plus 5 is equal to 0. Here is cos theta is equal to 1 over 2 and here cos theta is equal to minus 5 by 2. Cos theta is equal to minus 5 by 2 is not possible. Dear students, why it is not possible? Because cos theta value may be always in between minus 1 and plus 1. Maximum value of cos is cos 0, 1. Minimum value of cos is cos 180 minus 1. Whereas cos 90 0, cos 270 0, you can check from the calculator even. So this is minus 2.5. So the minimum value is minus 1, here is minus 2.5, so that's why it is not possible. So dear students, we are left with only cos theta is equal to plus 1 over 2. Cos theta is equal to plus 1 over 2. Yes? What is the reference angle? In case of cos theta is equal to 1 over 2, the reference angle is cos 60, mean pi by 3, and we have positive sign. So where the theta lies, it will lie in first quadrant and fourth quadrant, all positive, cos positive here. So theta lies in first and fourth quadrant. Therefore, possible value of theta is pi by 3 and fourth quadrant 2 pi minus pi by 3. This is your reference angle. It will be added and subtracted and written in this way. This will be 5 pi by 3. So dear students, solution set is pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. That's your answer. I hope that you understood this question. Dear students, that was your question number 8. After that, we have to find the solution set of the following equation. Now, we are given question number 9, 10, 11, 12, like that. Now, I am taking question number 10. I am taking question number 10. This is cos 2x is equal to sin 3x. Cos 2x is equal to sin 3x. I told you that from question number 9 to onward, we have general solutions. In case of general solutions, we will add the periods where the function will be defined to convert your answer into general form. So be careful about this. Once you understand the technique, what type of function we are adding, then it will be easy for you to write down the answer and to understand. Question number 10 is cos 2x is equal to sin 3x. Cos 2x is equal to sin 3x. Sin 3x. Here is 0 is equal to sin 3x minus cos 2x. Dear students, you know that this function is sine and this is cos. So it is better to convert this function into cos. How we can convert it? Sin 3x can be written as cos 90 minus 3x. That will be cos 2x is equal to 0. Dear students, you know that 90 degree there is a change from sine to cos. And pi minus 2 minus 3x will be in the first quadrant. Pi minus 2 minus. So in case of 90 degree pi by 2, there is a change from sine to cos. And pi by 2 minus 3x is in the first quadrant. So that's why sine is positive in the first quadrant. If you want to convert back, then pi by 2 changes this function, it becomes sine, and angle is 3x. You will get this again. You can move backward. But now you have the formula cos minus cos. You have seen this formula in 10th chapter, last exercise, exercise 10.4. So we were converting plus minus to products and products to plus and minus. Here cos minus cos, it will be minus 2 sin sine. Pi over 2 minus 3x plus 2x over 2 minus 2 sin sine, first plus second over 2, then first minus second over 2 over 2. That is equal to 0. So dear students, you can check. Here is minus 2 sine pi by 2 minus x over 2 sine pi by 2 minus 5x over 2. That is equal to 0. After that, here it will be minus 2 sine pi minus 2x over 4. Remember that this 2 is LCM. So pi minus 2x, 2 will come down. Similarly, you can have pi minus 2 5 the 10x, and this 2 will be in the denominator multiplied, that is 4. So we have minus 2 sine pi minus 2x over 4 sine pi minus 10x over 4 equal to 0. Dear students, after that minus 2 can be shifted on the right hand side, and 0 over minus 2 is 0. So you can write down sine pi minus 2x over 4 equals 0. Sine pi minus 10x over 4 equals 0. After that, we will write down here is pi minus 2x over 4 is equal to sine inverse 0. Bring this sign on to the right hand side. Similarly, pi minus 10x over 4 is equal to sine inverse 0. Dear students, sine inverse 0 will be at 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, up to so on n pi. n pi. If you take n as 0, sine 0 is 0. If you take n as 1, sine pi is 0. 2, sine 2 pi is 0. Sine 3 pi is 0. So that's why we can write down right hand side as n pi. I told you that I am writing your answer as general solution. So pi minus 10x is over 4 is equal to n pi. So pi minus 2x is equal to 8n pi. Pi minus 10x is equal to 8n pi. So dear students, we can have we have to find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. Yes, it will be 2x is equal to pi minus 8n pi, and x is equal to pi by 2 minus 8n pi by 2. I am taking 2 to the left hand side and each term will be divided by 2. Similarly, pi minus 8n pi is equal to 10x and x is equal to pi by 10 minus 8n pi by 10. So dear students, we can have pi by 2 pi by 2 minus 4n pi is equal to x. Then x is equal to pi by 10 minus 4n pi over 5. After that, dear students, that was over 4, yes. This was n pi, no? This was 4. Yes, it is 4. 4 was shifted on the other side. Sorry students, it will be 4. Definitely it is 4. Here is 4 also. And after that, this will be 2n pi. Here is x is equal to 2n pi, and here is again 4, and this will be 4 over 10. This will be 2 over 5. Your answer is a solution set of that one is, dear students, because these values are independent. So whenever you find the value of x, nothing is common in them. So you will write down as the union of your answers. Union of your answers. So pi by 2 minus 2n pi union pi by 10 minus 2n pi by 5. That's your answer. This is the way you will write down your answers in the form of union of different values. Dear students, after that we have question number 11. And question number 11 is exactly similar to that one. And inshallah, I think you can do it. And those parts which I left for you as a homework, complete them. And if you have any problem, you can contact me. Here it was 4, actually it was shifted to the right hand side. I was thinking that it is a 2n pi, not it is pi. So 4n pi, and then after simplification you got that answer. Okay, Allah Hafiz and Assalamu alaikum.